How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Techwear Tactical, and I got something different today. This is the Ecoflow. It's not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. Costco was actually running a deal with them. Unfortunately, it's ended now, but they were running a deal where for 700 bucks, you got the Ecoflow itself and the extra backup battery for about 700 bucks, and it was too good for me not to go in on with all the crazy stuff that's been happening and power crises in Europe. You know, eventually stuff is not going to go well for us in America. So I wanted something to kind of offset that sort of uncertainty, and, you know, why not? So let's take a look. This is just going to be a real standard unboxing. Super solid packaging. Really solid packaging. I can't really complain too much. They take pride in their product. There we go. Keep your package and accessories for returns. All right. Box within a box. Oh my goodness. Let's flip this on the side. There we go. So we'll get the bigger box out of the way. Double unboxing. Sweet. So this is the River 600 Pro with the extra battery. I thought it was a little small, but I didn't quite know the size of this stuff, so I thought I might have to tell them that they messed up and sent me the wrong one. I'm glad I got the right one to begin with. Man, this is a solid packaging job. Nice branding. I appreciate nice branding. So that looks like your accessories box. And there we have the actual Ecoflow. Ooh, that's chunky. And there we go. I don't have a scale or anything to weigh it out for you guys, or I would. And are they sure that there is an extra battery in here? Well, there's nothing else in the box. So let's hope that, yes, this is the extra battery model. Maybe it's just bigger on the bottom. They had, in the picture, it was attached to like another equally sized brick. So I don't know what that's about. I may need to give them a call. So that's the unit itself, and hand for comparison. That feels like a touchscreen. Ooh, lights. Sweet. See, they had it plugged into this. So where my extra battery Ecoflow, it says it on the box. That's supposed to be it. Wait, is this the extra battery and not the unit? Smart extra battery. Maybe it is. Maybe I don't have the actual unit? I don't know. I will have to follow up with them about that, because this was not cheap for me. It was, like I said, even though I got, you know, a good deal on it with the extra battery and everything, where it should have an extra battery, it was still 700 bucks. So I'm gonna give them a call or something, because this was not an insignificant amount of money for me. So thank you so much, guys. I will see you in the next one, where I'll either have an update or some. Ooh, well, I'm at it, and hopefully my camera doesn't cut because I'm low on space. Let's open up a little care package here. Oh, probably could have just. Yeah, this is just the extra battery, so it should look like that in the front. So yeah, this is just the extra battery portion. I don't have the actual unit, it looks like. And that's it for that. So it's just your startup manual and the part that plugs into the actual unit that I don't have yet. Well, that's troublesome. I will definitely have to give them a call about that. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you in the next one.